Hi, today we're going to make a bear's face out of these. We're going to practice our cutting skills to make some hair and our drawing skills to make the bear's face. So we need a paper plate, or you can cut a circle of paper. Either works. Now we need to try drawing the bear. So let's start with the bear's eyes. Nice and round. And I'm going to have him looking on the left. Another eye. There we are. We can colour in his ears. So here. There's a nice bear ear. Another one over here. Then we're going to do his nose in the middle. Are we going to do a happy bear or a sad bear? Let's do a sad bear. There we go. And now we're going to cut the bear's hair. So we're going to cut lines down like this. Lots of lines. There we go. And then we can move some of them backwards and forwards to make the bear's groovy hair. And there we have a simple bear. If you want to make a body as well, that'd be good. You could have different kinds of hair. We could cut lots of little ones. You can have lots of spiky hair. There we go. There's the bear's hair. I'll give the bear a name. Billy Bear. Hi, I'm Billy Bear, not very happy. Now, if it was Billy Bear, it would be a happy bear. Let's turn it into a happy bear. There you go. There's Billy Happy Bear. See what you can make. Have a go at home.